there, so I thought I would tell you about my greenstalk garden. This is basically a planter. It's a stacked planter, and so it's got different layers. You water it from the top, the water runs all the way down through all the layers. So this is really nice if you have like a patio or a small area to have a place to put it. Mine is just out in my garden because I'm luckily in a position where I don't have to like really cram for space. But what's nice about this is it kind of keeps the weeds at bay. I got a little grass growing in here just because weeds, you know, the seeds blow and all that. But it's really easy to maintain. This thing is like 5 or 6 years old. I can't even remember for sure, but it's held up really well. It's sturdy, it's not cracked, there's nothing wrong with it. It's gone, you know, it's gone through a move across the country with us. All of these bins, I guess you could call it bins, the different layers, they nestle together. In between each there's like a dish underneath each. You water from the top, it goes down, it fills that little dish, overflows, waters the next level, which, you know, it also drips through the holes, and then it just keeps working its way down. It actually works really well. I was a little curious about the watering system and how that was going to work, but it has done pretty well for me. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 levels, but you can get it in different sizes. It comes in different colors. I mean, there's blue and green and all kinds of different colors. So let me grab my camera and I'll get a close-up here for you. All right, so you can see I've got 5 levels here. The bottom 4 are filled with strawberries, and then I liked some color, so I just put flowers in the top. I could have put strawberries in there too. But all of these pieces come apart. This is just the top bin, and you can see how it just, you know, they all just fit together. In between each layer, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get a picture of this. It's kind of dark, but right there, there's like a dish in between. I call it a dish, a tray, but the watering system is you put water in the top and then it flows down through each level, both through those trays and through some drainage holes in the bottom of each level. Now I have mine setting on just a round piece of concrete. My husband was pouring some things and I said, hey, I need a little round concrete. So it didn't work. One year I put it on the ground and that did not work. I ended up with weeds growing up through the bottom, and so it does kind of need to be on something level. If you got it on a patio or something like that, that works fine. Keep in mind water will drain out the bottom. They do sell a tray that you can put in the bottom to contain that, and they even sell a tray with rollers so you can move it around, which is kind of handy. I don't have that, but each tray nestles together. I don't know if you can see right here. This tray is nestled on the edge of that tray. So it's pretty sturdy. It does need to be level. Yeah, so it works pretty good. I like it. Even though I don't need like to compact my space, I like it for my strawberries. I think I'm gonna keep doing this and see how those strawberries do. You guys have a great day.